I'm Terry and welcome back to the Chugwater Chili Kitchen in Chugwater, Wyoming. Today we're going to do another recipe out of our Chugwater Chili cookbook. And this one is on page 66, and it's our chili lime pasta salad. You guys, this is so fresh with the lime and the fresh cucumber and tomatoes and everything. It's a great way to welcome spring. So the first thing we did is we have a package of the rotini noodles that we've already cooked up. So those are nice and ready for us. Next, we're going to make our dressing. In here I have the minced garlic, and that is about a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of olive oil, and then I'm going to do some fresh lime juice, also about 1/3 cup. I hope everyone has one of these citrus squeezers. They just make using fresh citrus a dream. They're fantastic. Okay, into that we're going to use our regular original Chugwater Chili Seasoning blend. And this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons. So we mix that right in with our dressing mix. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just give that a good whisk. Just don't want to have any clumps of the seasoning left. You want that to be all integrated in with your oil and your lime juice. Okay. Now obviously we've done a little bit of advanced work here, and we have our green bell pepper already chopped, the red pepper to go in, fresh cucumber, and we've peeled ours, some chopped tomatoes, and some chopped cilantro. You know, in some places of the country, you're getting ready to start doing some outdoor barbecuing, and this is a great thing to add into your recipe book. We're going to pour the dressing on top. Just give it a really nice, thorough stir. And it's as easy as that. The chili lime pasta salad. Hope you enjoy that with some of your outdoor barbecues this summer and spring. Thanks.